Hi, my name is Shailendra Tripathi, and I'm a marketing professional, an author, and a visiting faculty in management. Today, as we all know, that India is known as global pharmacy. It takes care of the largest chunk of the global generic requirement. But do we really know when the foundation of this evolution was let down? Which was the first Indian pharmaceutical company? Or maybe when we go back and see when the entire healthcare system in India was established, many of us we do not know, and which is why in this session we are trying to understand how the evolution of Indian pharmaceutical happened. If you try to go back, study the available books and history, the evolution of Indian pharmaceutical and healthcare can be traced back to 2200 to 2600 BC. So it is not something which has happened very recently. It has evolved over a period of time. And yes, one more thing, the the basis of the evolution was in the hit and miss trial, and obviously with the household treatment, or maybe with the herbs, or maybe with the minerals. That's how the Indian ancient healthcare system used to provide the treatment, and from there today we all know how we have evolved. So let us try to understand how the whole system evolved in India today the way it is. Yeah, so let us go back to the presentation. Yes. So as I said that the evolution of the Indian pharmaceutical and healthcare can be traced back 2200 BC to 2600 BC. In fact, this is what is you can read in the books, and also if you have been following Ramayana, you know that when Lakshman was in coma, Sanjeevani was the drugs or the medicine or the herbs was used by Sushen, the doctor at that point in time, who actually treated Lakshman with the Sanjeevani. So the system is not the new. It has not started very recently. It is very old, and we all have been part of this. So when we talk about the Charak Samhita or maybe the Sushruta Samhita, these are the most authentic document available in the human civilizations even today. So you must be wondering what is Charak Samhita all about. The Charak Samhita is about the ancient medicine, and Sushruta Samhita is primarily about the surgery. And now, let us see how the whole system evolved. So, in fact, before British in India, the practice was obviously the Ayurvedic medicine, and today it has been accepted globally. In fact, you know, the many people, obviously in India and abroad, they are practicing Ayurveda, and they find a very good result with this. So, in 1901, the foundation of Bengal Chemical was laid down by P.C. Ray, and that becomes the first Indian pharmaceutical company. Okay, and then after couple of years later, in 1907, Alembic Chemical Works was established in Baroda. So these were the two predominant Indian company were functioning post even before the World War. And after the World War II, the many companies they came into picture, like the Zandu Pharmaceutical, Unichem, Cipla, East India Pharma. And now what was the need here? If you look at the need here was like during the World War, the drug supply from the global companies went down, and we needed drug, we needed medicine, obviously. Then the government of India, they came out with the policy wherein they attracted the foreign the companies, the foreign pharmaceutical companies, and they played very important role. There was good the improvement in overall healthcare system. So based on that, further the government of India, they changed their policy. Because of that, many global companies or global MNCs, they established, they extended their units in India, and that's how the drug supply can be could be restored during that point in time. And that is what was the period. Even these companies, when I say Sandu Pharmaceutical, Unichem, Cipla, East India Pharma, they also came into picture, and they actually catered the need of India at that point in time.
Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more insights on pharmaceutical business. To learn more about Growth Magnet, visit our website www.growthmagnet.co.in. See you next time.